Hello again, you made it. This is the last day of National Organizing Week, and I hope I can congratulate you to having finished one project completely, from choosing to going through the steps and putting things back where they belong, in a way that you can find them. Now, I talked about loose ends yesterday, and there are a couple of loose ends that you may be aware of already. Remember, one of the first steps was to take out things that didn't belong there and to take them to a place where they technically belong, but they may be in abundance. There may be too much stuff in that place now. Now, there's two types of things that you've taken out of that storage space or that area in the beginning. One is things that you need and you want to keep, but there may also be items that you need to discard, like old paperwork or rubbish bits of string that you don't really do anything with. Now, the important thing here is to make a clear distinction between the two types of items that you take away. Find a home for the things that you're going to keep. And for those that you are discarding, make sure that they leave your home as quickly as possible. Why? Because they're in the way, they're not useful, you've already decided you want to let them go. And the other is that the longer things stay in your home, the more likely it is that you either forget them or you take them back where they came from. And you don't want that. So make haste, take those two steps as soon as you can. The interesting thing that I mentioned in the first video is that now that you've gone through the steps, choosing an area, considering what's there, taking out what doesn't belong, taking everything out and categorizing it, and putting everything back, you've got all the steps that you need to tackle any other project as well. Now, mostly this works for small projects. If you look at slightly bigger projects, like for example, a whole room or a whole house or a loft or a garage, then you have to take certain things into account. A, it will take a lot longer. B, the mess you create in the interim is going to be much more important and much more discouraging than whatever mess you've created with the small project. Also, there will be a lot more things to take away. There will be a lot more things to relocate and potentially upset other balances in your household. You can see this isn't always as straightforward as the small projects we looked at this week. So my advice here is try whatever project that comes to mind that you think you need to do, but don't get overly discouraged if you don't manage to finish it, because there is a limit to what you can do as a regular person. That's why professionals like myself exist. This said, have a nice Sunday and hope to see you soon. If you want more, there are options. Click the round logo to subscribe to this channel, or select the playlist in the middle to see more content, or check out the links in the description below. Oh, and feel free to like this video.